Now, if you've got a great idea for a new product or service, then you're probably worried about whether it's going to succeed or whether it might fail. I have spent years working with hundreds of different entrepreneurs and startups, and I reckon I've come up with the formula for success. So if you want to de-risk your product and maximize your chances of succeeding, then check out the whole of this video right to the end as I go through the key parts of this formula. Welcome to our YouTube channel. It's dedicated to helping product managers, startups, and entrepreneurs turn their ideas into successful products. We provide valuable insights, tips, and inspiration on product development and launch. If you're looking for a trusted source of information to turn your idea into a successful business, then look no further and make sure you subscribe to the channel straight away. I've split the formula into two halves. The first half is about the idea, and the second half is about you or your business that's taking the idea to market. And you need both halves of this formula and the elements of both halves for a new idea to succeed. Let's start with the idea itself. To have potential to make millions, your idea will need the following elements. You need your idea to be a good solution to the right problem. Your idea should solve a genuine problem that people are willing to pay to solve. It should be a problem where there's a significant enough addressable market. So you've got that, you need to now add it to a proven route to market. A lot of the reason that the companies we work with are more successful than the entrepreneurs is that they're already on the market, they already have retailers, or they already have a customer base to sell their new product ideas. And that is a critical part of the success formula. If you don't have a proven route to market yet, check out the description below. I've written a PDF on the 7 routes to market. It's absolutely invaluable advice from many years' experience. Make sure you download your copy today. So the third part of the formula is effective marketing. If you can't get your idea in front of enough people in a convincing enough way, then even if it's the best solution in the world, it still won't sell. Next is protectable. You need to be able to protect your idea. Otherwise, if it is genuinely good and there is a good target market for it, you can bet your bottom dollar that the competition will copy it, and really quickly you'll have far less market share. Now, the final element of the formula for the idea part is that your idea needs to be technically feasible at a sensible manufacturing price. And that's critical. If you can't make it for the right price, then it's not going to work anyway. My company, D2M, specializes in helping people like you navigate the complex challenges of developing and launching a new product. We do the heavy lifting so you can focus on your vision. Get in touch. Use the book a call link in the description below. Now, the second half of this whole formula is about the innovator themselves and what they need to succeed. The first thing an innovator needs is persistence. It is not an easy journey to take a new product idea to market. It's not a walk in the park. You're going to have to put serious effort in to make it happen. So if you've got persistence, you're going to need to add to that competence. You need an understanding of your market, you need an understanding of what you're doing, and ideally you need to have done some of the elements of marketing and selling a product before. Now, even then, you're going to have a willingness to learn. Most people who take a new idea to market have never done anything like it before. There's always something new to learn, and even if you have done it before, technology's moving on, marketing's changing all the time, and you need to have an ability to learn from other people, to absorb knowledge, and then to turn that into something useful for your product launch. Now, focus is another critical part of the formula. So many innovators come up with a new idea, they get 6 months down the line, they get bored of it, and they switch to something else. Now, if you do that, your idea is never going to be successful. So far in this video, we've looked at all the things that, when added together, can result in success. But there's 2 major things that can significantly diminish your success, and we're going to look at those now. But first, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get all notifications about our latest videos. So here are the 2 factors that can diminish your success. One is competition. If there are lots of other companies launching other solutions to the same problem around the same time, then that will probably have a huge detrimental impact on your product. The second diminishing factor is timing. If you don't launch your product at the right time, then that can have a significant impact on success as well. For example, if you launch a product for the premium market just as a cost of living crisis hits, then that may well scupper the whole thing despite you having all the other critical factors for success. So there you have it, the formula for turning your idea into a successful multi-million-pound venture. Remember, it's not easy, but it is hugely rewarding in all sorts of ways, not just financially. If you've got a new product idea, fitting that solution to the right target market is absolutely critical. Check out this video straight away to find out more.